Kate Achter's life has always revolved around basketball. Growing up, playing the game she loved in Oregon and at Clay High School, on to Bowling Green, and then into coaching. Recently, BCSN's Justin Feldkamp sat down with the former Loyola Chicago head coach, and the conversation turned to her college playing days when Achter helped the Kurt Miller-coached Falcons reach the Sweet 16 of the NCAA tournament in 2007.
Your junior year, March 2007, the NCAA tournament. Games played at Michigan State where you guys faced Oklahoma State and Vanderbilt in the first and second round. Upset. Falcons are headed to the Sweet 16. That just had to be such a momentous weekend for you guys.
Yeah, and I have chills even thinking about it because it's not something that I still get to think about very often, you know, when you're in the midst of your own season. It's one of those validation moments where you put in so much time and energy and you trust in Kurt and his staff, and all they talk about is it's gonna happen and you're good enough, and it's gonna, if you just stick with it, we're gonna get them. And certainly that was something that was talked about in our locker room as well, but we had been so close for, you know, so long that it was just like the floodgates opened, and man, it felt good. It felt really good. And you know, even so many years later, it's such a uniting moment amongst Bowling Green people, not just our program, the women that I played with, but you go back to the community and it's still like, that's a big highlight for Bowling Green athletics.
And you can see that entire conversation tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Inside Out with Justin Feldkamp, right here on BCSN.